Renovating a historical elementary school into subsidized senior housing presents several electrical challenges and considerations. Firstly, historical society requirements might necessitate costly electrical modifications to preserve specific elements. Secondly, the existing electrical system is probably outdated and inadequate for modern needs. Thirdly, limited space, especially when furrowing out walls for new drywall, can restrict electrical space, especially for outlet boxes. To address these challenges, several solutions can be implemented. When it comes to wiring, BX armored cable is a durable and flexible option suitable for tight spaces. If space is extremely limited, flat wiring, such as UF cable, can be considered, but understand this comes with reduced insulation. Furrowing out walls on edge, rather than flat, provides more ample space for outlet boxes and wiring runs. Coordinate closely with the architect to ensure there is sufficient depth for all electrical installations. Regarding outlet boxes, where wall space is limited or ceiling heights permit, utilize ceiling-mounted outlets. Recess outlet boxes into the drywall to create a more aesthetically pleasing result. When working with historical considerations, if possible, retain and restore original electrical fixtures to maintain historical integrity. When new fixtures are necessary, choose options that complement the historical aesthetic while meeting modern electrical codes. Collaboration with the local authority having jurisdiction, OJ, is crucial. Schedule a meeting with the city AHA to discuss project details and obtain their input. Ensure complete compliance with all applicable electrical codes and standards. Clearly explain all measures taken to preserve historical elements and secure any necessary approvals. Additional tips include creating a comprehensive electrical plan that clearly outlines the electrical system, including wiring routes, outlet locations, and fixture specifications. Maintain detailed records of any modifications made to the historical electrical system. Implement energy-efficient lighting and appliances to reduce operating costs and meet sustainability goals. Ensure sufficient lighting throughout the building for safety and accessibility. Always prioritize electrical safety by using proper grounding, circuit protection, and fire-rated materials. Planning a comprehensive approach and attention to detail will help ensure a successful and safe renovation. The electrical system upgrade should start with a detailed assessment of the existing infrastructure. This involves identifying all wiring, panels, and fixtures. Document the condition, noting any code violations or safety hazards. Because the building is being converted into senior housing, accessibility is a key consideration. Electrical outlets and switches should be installed at heights that are easily reachable for residents with mobility issues. Consider using rocker-style switches and easy-to-grip outlet covers. Proper lighting is essential for safety and comfort. Ensure that hallways, stairwells, and common areas are well lit. Use a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a welcoming environment. Energy-efficient lighting options like light-emitting diode or LED fixtures can help reduce operating costs. When selecting new electrical fixtures, balance historical aesthetics with modern functionality. Choose fixtures that complement the building's original style while providing adequate illumination and energy efficiency. Work closely with the Historical Society to ensure that all new fixtures meet their requirements. Because you are using BX wiring, also known as armored cable, this provides a protective metal sheath around the conductors. This type of wiring is suitable for both concealed and exposed applications, making it versatile for historical renovations. Ensure that all BX cable is properly grounded to prevent electrical shock hazards. When furrowing out the walls, on-edge installation of the 2x4s provides more room for electrical boxes and wiring. This is especially important in older buildings where wall cavities may be smaller than modern standards. Coordinate with the architect to ensure that the furrowing provides adequate space for all electrical components. Consider using deeper electrical boxes to accommodate the wiring and devices. Recessed outlet boxes can also help to minimize the visual impact of the electrical installations. During the renovation, you will likely encounter existing wiring that needs to be rerouted or replaced. Carefully remove any abandoned wiring to prevent future hazards. When splicing wires, Use proper connectors and techniques to ensure secure and reliable connections. All splices must be contained within approved electrical boxes. The electrical panels should be upgraded to meet the increased electrical demands of the senior housing facility. Ensure that the new panels have sufficient capacity for all circuits and appliances. Install surge protection devices to protect sensitive electronic equipment from power surges. Smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors are essential for safety in senior housing. Install interconnected detectors throughout the building to provide early warning of fire or carbon monoxide hazards. Test the detectors regularly to ensure that they are functioning properly. Ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, are required in wet locations such as bathrooms and kitchens. These devices protect against electrical shock by detecting ground faults and interrupting the circuit. Install GFCIs in all required locations and test them monthly. Clearly label all circuits and electrical panels to facilitate maintenance and troubleshooting. Create an electrical panel schedule that identifies the circuits and their corresponding loads. Keep the electrical panel schedule up to date as changes are made to the electrical system. Document all modifications made to the electrical system, including wiring changes, fixture replacements, and panel upgrades. Maintain a detailed record of all electrical work performed during the renovation. Provide this documentation to the building owner or manager for future reference. Implement energy-efficient measures to reduce the operating costs of the senior housing facility. Install energy-efficient lighting, appliances, and heating and cooling systems. Consider using occupancy sensors to automatically turn off lights in unoccupied areas. Provide educational materials to residents on how to conserve energy. Work closely with the city AHJ to ensure that all electrical work meets local codes and regulations. Schedule regular inspections to identify and correct any code violations. Maintain open communication with the AHJ throughout the renovation process. Prioritize electrical safety throughout the renovation project. Use proper grounding, circuit protection, and fire-rated materials. Train all workers on electrical safety procedures. Provide personal protective equipment, such as gloves and eye protection. Ensure that all electrical work is performed by qualified electricians. Coordinate with other trades to avoid conflicts and ensure that the electrical system is properly integrated with other building systems. Attend regular project meetings to discuss progress and address any issues. Maintain open communication with the architect, contractor, and other stakeholders. Develop a detailed electrical testing and commissioning plan to ensure that the electrical system is functioning properly before the senior housing facility opens. Test all circuits, devices, and equipment to verify that they meet performance specifications. Document all test results and provide them to the building owner or manager. Ensure that the electrical system is properly maintained to prevent failures and ensure continued safety. Conduct regular inspections and maintenance to identify and correct any problems. Replace any worn or damaged components. Keep the electrical system clean and free of debris. Provide training to building staff on how to operate and maintain the electrical system. Consider installing a backup generator to provide power during outages. This is especially important for senior housing facilities where residents may have medical equipment that requires a continuous power supply. Ensure that the backup generator is properly sized to meet the electrical demands of the facility. Develop a detailed emergency plan to address electrical outages and other emergencies. Train building staff on how to respond to electrical emergencies. Provide residents with information on what to do in case of an electrical outage. Consider using smart home technology to enhance the comfort and convenience of residents. Install smart lighting, thermostats, and appliances that can be controlled remotely. Provide residents with access to smart home technology through a user-friendly interface. Implement cybersecurity measures to protect the smart home system from hacking and other security threats. By following these electrical considerations, you can ensure a safe, reliable, and energy-efficient electrical system for the renovated senior housing facility. This will contribute to the comfort, safety, and well-being of the residents. Thorough planning, attention to detail, and collaboration with qualified professionals are essential for a successful renovation project. Additionally, consider future needs. Think about the evolving needs of the senior residents and plan for potential upgrades or modifications to the electrical system in the future. This might include adding more outlets, installing additional lighting, or upgrading the electrical panel to accommodate new appliances. By anticipating future needs, you can avoid costly and disruptive renovations later on. Communication is paramount. Maintain open and frequent communication with all stakeholders throughout the renovation process. This includes the architect, contractor, historical society, UDGE, and building owner or manager. Regular meetings and updates can help to identify and address any issues or concerns promptly. Safety should remain the top priority throughout the renovation process. Implement a comprehensive safety plan that addresses all potential electrical hazards. Ensure that all workers are properly trained and equipped to work safely around electricity. Conduct regular safety inspections to identify and correct any unsafe conditions. Budget appropriately for the electrical renovation. Electrical work can be a significant expense, so it is important to develop a realistic budget that covers all necessary upgrades and modifications. Obtain multiple bids from qualified electrical contractors to ensure that you are getting a competitive price. Don't cut corners on electrical work, as this can compromise safety and reliability. Consider the environmental impact. Choose energy-efficient electrical products and practices to minimize the environmental impact of the renovation. Dispose of old electrical equipment and materials properly to prevent pollution. Implement sustainable practices throughout the renovation process. Plan for inspections. Schedule regular inspections with the AHJ throughout the renovation process to ensure that the electrical work is being performed in accordance with local codes and regulations. Address any code violations promptly to avoid delays and penalties. Obtain all necessary permits before starting any electrical work. Document everything. Keep detailed records of all electrical work performed during the renovation, including wiring diagrams, panel schedules, inspection reports, and permits. This documentation will be valuable for future maintenance and troubleshooting. Educate residents. Provide residents with information about the electrical system in their units, including how to operate the lights, appliances, and other electrical equipment safely. Explain the importance of energy conservation and provide tips on how to reduce their electricity bills. Be mindful of noise and disruption. Electrical work can be noisy and disruptive, so take steps to minimize the impact on residents. Schedule noisy work during off-peak hours and provide residents with advance notice of any disruptions. Consider the long-term costs. When making decisions about electrical equipment and systems, consider the long-term costs of operation and maintenance. Energy-efficient equipment may have a higher upfront cost, but it can save money on electricity bills over the long term. Regular maintenance can prevent costly repairs and extend the life of the electrical system. By taking these additional considerations into account, you can ensure that the electrical renovation is a success and that the senior housing facility provides a safe, comfortable, and energy-efficient environment for its residents.